Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will now create two categories, one for the products and the other for the courses. All right. And we will populate some courses, some dummy courses and some dummy products. We will be inserting some details over here. All right. So I won't be creating the tables one by one. Instead, I will immediately go to the anti-gravity and then I will tell create two tables called product tables, product category and course category, and insert some dummy data plus delete the old category table. So there is one existing categories table. So we have to delete it at first. Okay. And let us now hit the enter button. We have to wait for a few minutes. Okay, so let us now go here and let me reload the screen. Let me check whether we could find the categories tables here. Okay, so I can still see the previous categories table. So I think we have to wait for some more time. I will simply fast forward this part till we get the completed code. All right. Okay, so here I can see the course category and the product category. I have to delete the categories. So I will simply click on the three dots and I will click on the drop. Okay, perfect. Okay, now I will go to course category. We can see, let me click on the course category. Product category, we can see these products. And if I click on course category, we can see these courses. So, okay, let me also go to both the categories. So it did some mistake in the course category. It created a column called products. Okay, so in both the categories, create the columns like name, price, discounted price, and all other columns which are required. So for the time being, I'm not giving specific instruction which are the exact columns that need to be created, but still let us wait and see which are the columns that it will create right now. So in the product category, we can see name, price, discounted price, thumbnail. Even over here, we can see name, price, discounted price, but we need some more columns like description. All right, so let me go here, add more columns like description and all other columns to make it look like an international website. Let me accept it. Let me pause it and I will hit the enter button. We want to add more columns over here. And if it still makes some mistake, in that case, we will now be copying the enter. Okay. So in the product category, we can see ID, name, slug, description, icon, price. So here I did some more mistake. In the product category, we don't need the price, right? Is featured. course categories and product categories. So this is the product table, orders table, right? And we want to check the, here we can see course category. This is the product table. And we also want to also create. So let me come over here to products. In the product, I can see ID, title, description, price, type, product categories ID. Okay, so what it is doing right now is that, so for courses and for products, there is only one single table. So for the courses, we want to create a separate table, and for the products, we want to create a separate table. Okay, for courses, create a separate table, and for products, create a separate table. And we will now delete the products table. Okay, so I think there are some linked products in the course category and product category. This is why we are not able to delete it. That's not a problem. Okay, so the database is fully set up and seeded. Let me now reload the database, and then we will go to the products table. We will also check the courses table. So this is the courses table. All right, and this is the products table. Now I will tell delete all data from courses table, courses category, products table, and products category. Okay, so we will be deleting all the data. I can even do from here. So if I click on the three dots, I can see browse all data. I can select it all, and we can delete the two records. But for the time being, we won't be doing it. Let us try to do it from the terminal itself, from this chatbot itself. Okay, let us again reload it, and we will check how it is working right now. So at first we will go to the courses category and then the products category. I can see both the categories have some data. So right now we are working on the database. Okay. So for the time being, we are using NeonDB for our PostgreSQL. Later on, when we will be completing this project, we will migrate the database to our live cloud server. You don't have to worry about it. We will be learning the entire process from scratch only. Okay, so I can see the course category has now been emptied. The products category has also been emptied. Courses and products, everything is now empty. Okay, now I will tell add 10, add 4 categories each, and 10 products, 10 products and 10 courses. For products and for courses. So what I'm basically trying to do is that I want to add 4 course categories and I want to add 4 product categories. Once this been done, then we will be adding 10 products and then 10 courses. Once all the data that we are inserting right now, once everything gets completed, then we will be able to so let us go here and run the project once again. We will get the URL. Okay, so I have to go to, now I am inside the lab, the mistake that we did in the first class. So we will enter into the Webbot app this lab, and then I will run the command npm run dev. We will get the URL. Okay, let us hit it. And in this URL, In this URL, we can see on the home page, we have to fetch the featured courses and the featured products. But right now, both these things are empty because we don't have anything in the database. Once we pre-populate the database with some dummy content, we will be able to fetch all these things in the home page as well as in our marketplace page, in our courses and coach page as well as on the home page. Let us wait. Okay, so let us now go here and I will go to course categories. There are 4 course categories. Then we will go to product category. We can see 4 product categories. We will now go to courses. There are 10 courses, and we will go to products. We can see there are 10 products. Okay. So we have done everything with the database. In the next lecture, we will now fetch these products on our front end.